The access, the login to the dashboard is that simple, okay? There's many parts to it. This is the dashboard, this is the hosting part, and then we got the My Drive and the website builder. I seen someone in the chat box was, mentioning he wants to see the website builder. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna love it. Anyways, so to enter the hosting part, once you log in, you got your hosting and it says manage, okay? Now, obviously, if you when you want to host your actual domain name, if you have it on a different provider like Namecheap, whatever, name.com, you have to set the name servers to ns1.hostley.io and ns2 hosted. You have to point it to the hosting platform right here to Hostley, right? You go to manage, it opens up the client area. And by the way, it's very secure. It logs you out. So if you've been, for 10 minutes not active on the platform, it logs you out automatically, which is good for security as well. Now I've added this domain right here. I didn't verify it yet, but I'm going to show you how you access into the cPanel, okay? So I've entered here. Here you can actually set up your email accounts, forwards, autoresponder as well. Please, as Tom mentioned, don't spam. I see there's a lot of people when they look at hosting, they want to send like bulk email, okay? Your list, okay, but don't spam the network because you would be affecting someone else, okay? And they're not going to take it easy on you if you do spam the network, obviously. Autoresponder, file manager, backup, it does automatic backup. You can set the subdomains, add-on domains, cron jobs, everything, okay? Now, to access the cPanel, you just go to login to cPanel. It opens up automatically. 1 second. Tom, you can still see my screen, right?
Okay. Yeah,
okay, perfect. So right here, skip. And this is the cPanel where you got everything. You can manage all your websites right in here. Email, the email part, email routing, default addresses, email filters. You can set everything up in here. SSL certificate is automatic. They're going to provide you unlimited SSL, secure SSL, which, SSL certificates on their own, they cost yearly around, depending on the company, but between 70 bucks to 100 bucks a year, right? You're going to get for free for unlimited websites. So this is unheard of. This is the IP address right here. The billing. So obviously, if you're I don't know if Tom did mention that or he's keeping it, as a surprise factor to the end, but you'll be able to resell as well. Okay, this is an advantage. The file manager, images, everything is right in here. It's super lightning fast. You can install WordPress websites, and click, basically. Everything is right here, okay? Your whole cPanel, you don't have to worry about monthly expenses, recurring billing, nothing at all, okay? Now, this is very straightforward. When it comes to and you can actually manage your emails. So log into webmail right from here. You just log in. So once you're in the dashboard, it saves your password. And all you have to do is log into webmail, place the email address password that you set up in cPanel, and you'll be into your emails, okay? And you can change the password of the whole dashboard right in here. Very simple. Now, in the original dashboard as well, with this whole, special on this webinar, okay, on this live webinar, they're giving you the My Drive, okay, where you can actually, it's right here, you can actually upload all your files, images, any important filings right into the dashboard right here. It gives you up to 1 terabyte, okay? No monthly fees, nothing comes with the package. You don't have to use Dropbox anymore and pay the monthly fees as well, just right in here. Now, the cool part, and someone was asking, like he was really eager to know about the website builder. So everything you access here is just My Drive. You can press website builder, it takes you to website builder, and you create the account. Obviously, I created it, so it's right here, Hostley Builder. I created that simple website as a test. Here you can assign the domain. So you connect your domains right in here. It gives you instructions on pointing them into the system, and that's it. It connects, and then you can create a website. Now I picked this template, but there's a lot of templates. So look at this, new project. Okay, you got a bunch of different templates right here you can pick from. They're actually really cool ones. So I picked the yellow one because I thought it's very what can I say, shiny, right? Like it's very cool and shiny. I like it. Or you can actually start from blank, so you can place the the banners, headers, sections, everything. But let's go back to where I set up mine right here, okay, and check the website builder. So here it is. This is the whole website right in here. Uh, I can go to layout, container one right here. I can change it to double rows, like you can pick the options. Obviously, it's very straightforward. You can see I can cut it into different sections, etc. And then you got the container two, which is, those bunch of containers that you add onto your website to edit them. It's very easy to edit every section. And then you've got the elements section, components. You can add progress bar, right, into the system. You see that bar, so it shows, once they're in or they bought something, it would show the progress bar, and that they're almost done, etc. You can add background images, shadows. You can adjust everything, the padding, the thickness of the padding, margins. It's obviously something you would edit based on your taste and what you want to come up with at the end, but it's all drag and drop, very simple, very fast. Okay, borders, border roundness, all of that cool stuff. You can add cards, image header, material box, navigation bars, pricing tables. So you just have to take that here and you got a pricing table. Very simple. Okay. Go back to elements, service list, user profile, and you got the layout. You can add dividers, div containers, div containers, rows, everything, media, responsive videos onto the website. And actually this hosting hosts your websites too, right? So a lot of people go to Vimo and they host their videos right there and pay hefty monthly subscriptions. You can actually host your videos on Hostly right here. uh, Typography, there's a bunch of it, links, t-heading, page headers, buttons, all of it is in here. Okay, forms as well, if you want them to fill the forms, checkbox, input group, form group, all of it. And there's the inspector part where you can edit, like I said, everything in here, even the mobile, tablet, laptop, kind of showcase and positioning. Okay, left, right, center. And here's the page SEOs. You can set this all up from here. And the settings, if you want it to auto save while you go. So if I'm editing right here, I press auto save, it would automatically save everything I do right in here. And there's a code editor for the people that are skilled and they want to like code a certain coloring into the website or something specific to them, or their, I don't know, affiliate link for a product they're promoting into the actual web page. You can use the code editor right in here. Okay, and you save the project and you can view the actual website from here. Okay, very simple. You see, I added this while we're discussing that actual pricing table. I just added it while we're talking on the webinar. And you can take this off. You can add whatever you want in here. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. I love it. And look how fast it is. And given I'm in Lebanon right now, internet is so bad. Okay, so this is fast. Anyways, Tom, and if you need support, training is all in here. Support is 24/7. Okay,